really screw it up.
We'll see about that. I say whoever kills him first gets the bonus.
Okay, then every man for himself, and may the best killer win.
What are you two doing up here? I'm murdering. Mind your own business. You don't even know how to murder. You don't even have good murder stuff. Not something insipid. Neither one of you are murdering. Mommy's murdering.
Amateurs.